So right now, as y'all can see, we at a little car wash right now. I got the head strap. I took the head strap on my car, but I forgot to get the screw that goes in. So hold it in my hand right now, as y'all can see, got it in my hand. But we're gonna do a little POV video after they done washing my V. That's a little Tuesday. Might go to a car meet today. Who knows, but I see them getting right at the wash. I see them getting right at the wash. Right? Looking back and forth and like that. Yeah, man, make sure y'all niggas like, comment, subscribe. Turn on them post noise. I'm getting a little, just a basic outside wash for now. Because later today, I'm probably gonna take some pictures and shit at a little location I found. That shit be looking beautiful when it's washed. It be looking blue, be looking purple. But yeah, man, let me go outside. It's hot as fuck today, my nigga. How the fuck is it so hot today? But yeah, man, we're gonna do this is gonna be a little POV video. When I get back in the V, I'm gonna put my little head strap on. I know how I get. I know I get busy. I know I get busy with the POV vids. Yeah, we got a special video coming. I'm gonna post this before my other video because my car is basically under construction. By the time y'all see this video, my car will probably be in the shop or something. I'm not gonna say what it is. Y'all just gonna have to wait and see what that video is. Feel me? Because I'm most likely gonna drop this video before that next video. So yeah, my car. Let me go and check out it. I see it. I'm gonna put the strap on my headpiece. Put the strap on my dome piece. They be doing my shit right. Prestige hand car wash, they be getting my shit right. I can't lie, they be performing. Right now, after the car wash, I'm about to go get some groceries actually for the crib. And it's fake traffic. Yo, let me know down in the comments if I should get a mic for my exhaust and shit. A mic for the exhaust on the POVs, that wouldn't be fire, chat? Let me know if y'all jacking that. Might get a little microphone, put it in the back of the car. So as I'm driving, I can hear the exhaust way better. I know how y'all like the power. My shit got 500 horsepower and more to come in the future, so we might have to mic up. It's dumb hot, there's no shade here. I should got some sunscreen or something, bro. Hey, so we back in the V after the wash. I had to let my shit cool down a little bit, but we about to skirt over. We about to go get some groceries. I know y'all been fucking with the POV, so I gotta give y'all what y'all fuck with. Ain't that right, player? I don't think have I ever recorded a daytime POV? I think I recorded one. I might fuck it. That's M5. That's no M5? That's that M550i electric bullshit, right? That's that new electric bullshit. That's what I hate about a fresh car wash, bro. Let me go this way too, man. Shut up, nigga. Shut up. Fuck you want me to do, nigga? I'm not sitting behind y'all bot drivers no more, nigga. Fuck out of here. Fuck is you honking me for, nigga? You didn't even come close to touching my vehicle. Is this shit right? Let me check. How I check if this shit right? You should be goo up, right? Y'all straight? I'm straight. Y'all niggas Gucci? Y'all niggas Gucci? I'm goo up, so yeah, man. We got some shit getting done to the car soon. And by the time I drop this video, hopefully the shit is done. Hopefully this shit is done. I've been searching around, you know, asking a few questions here and there, a few spots. So yeah, if y'all could guess, make a guess down in the comments what y'all think I'm talking about. It shouldn't be hard. Shouldn't be hard to figure out, but you know, some of y'all might get it, some of y'all won't get it. Maybe all y'all will get it, who knows? Y'all hear my shit barking, 40 barking inside Cajon Tunnel. Brake checks. I don't want to roll my windows down because like, I just got a car wash and my shit wet. Then it's gonna leave watermarks and stains. So should I do it for the sunroof? How would that sound? Let's try some sunroof action. Why my sunroof dirty still? Is that the inside? The fuck? Hopefully y'all can still hear me good, because the GoPro is by the sunroof. I don't want all that wind to, feel me, getting out here. Does that nigga have a titanium exhaust tip? It's mad traffic, look at that shit. Why the fuck is there so much traffic? Tons of traffic, guys. It's fucking rush hour. Y'all should hear it way better, right? I hear police. Something happened. I'm stuck in 22 minutes of traffic. 26 minutes for 8 miles. I want to do some pulls for y'all. On a hot wheezy or something. On a hot wheezy. But I ain't gonna lie, I've been to a lot of car meets since I got this wrap. I ain't gonna lie, I'm loving the new wrap, and clearly other people are also loving the new wrap too, so that's just gonna make me love it even more. I hope y'all can hear me. I'm pretty sure y'all can, but the wind is probably fucking shit up. And then what makes it worse is that, like, hopefully I can hear my exhaust. That's the main thing I'm worried about. Like, and this shit is just stock. Just a little muffler Resley got my shit popping as if I got a tune or something. That's why I love this shit. Like, this shit sound good. Shout out Twin Turbo V8 and 63. Fuck a B58, nigga. B58s ain't popping and burbling off of muffler delete and res delete, nigga. Are they? Not to my knowledge. Them weak ass shits don't produce no power. Them weak ass shits don't produce no power, no senor. But yeah, I'm dead ass stuck in traffic. I'm just babbling right now. But yeah, what was I saying? I've been to a few car meets. A lot of people fuck with the wrap. Like, I done got some people saying, yo, is this a wrap? Like, this look like a great paint. I mean, this wrap look like a paint job. Like, so shout out my rap mans over that Globin Raps. Y'all in Texas, y'all want a good rap that gets confused for paint jobs, then Hit them up, man. Glaubin Raps. I think it's GLAUBN Raps. They could get promo out of me. I can't lie. They could get promo out of me. No one else. But yeah, besides that, yeah, I'm glad that most of y'all fuck with the. Damn. I'm glad most of y'all fuck with the rap. I didn't even have somebody at a car meet say, yo, I seen your video before. Like, he came into my car and said, yo, you do YouTube? I said, yeah. He was like, yo, I seen your shit before. So that's fire, cause nigga like me only got 300 subs. And if I only got 300 subs and niggas is saying that to me, bro, then that's love. That's love. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, so maybe everyone in Texas could come up to me and be like, oh, I be watching you, gang, let me get a picture. That's what we trying to go for. Even though I'm not really too much of a social type guy, that would be fire. Now, all these pops is eating my gas right now. That's one thing about these pops and burbles. I was about to hit it, but of course somebody in front of him, right? And I done had a lot of people driving by and hit the, not hit the follow button. Look at my Instagram tag and follow me off that, so that's also fire. Shout out my V, actually looking good now. I gotta get in this other lane. Yeah, man. We just trying to grow all 2024. We trying to grow the platform. We trying to grow all platforms. I seen y'all got 10K views on my shorts on YouTube. I'm fucking with that, y'all. I'm fucking with that. I'm trying to post on everything. Like, I'm trying to post everything possible. Shorts, videos, TikToks, fucking Instagram vids. Fuck around, go on Twitter, start posting my shit. We trying to be on all platforms, going crazy. All I'm trying to do is get some fucking, whatchamacallit. And I also bought a suction cup 360 Pro. Insta360 suction cup mount to put on the back of my car. I should have did that actually before I left the whatchamacallit, the car wash. That's what the fuck I should have did. Can't lie. Let me know if y'all want to see, like, if y'all want to see the interior POV, or y'all want to see a full Insta360 POV. I don't think I ever seen someone post Insta. That's a plane, or that's somebody turbo? Y'all heard that? I'm thinking that's a turbo. This shit got some kickback. Calm down, truck. You see? I be looking. I don't know. This mirror, bro, be dead-eye scaring me because niggas be behind me and it be looking like they're flying, bro. Ready to hit me. I be feeling like, nah, yeah. Putting my shit sport, plus I'm not even doing nothing. All them pops that I was eating my gas away. Like, that's one thing I hate about sport, bro. Comfort. Sometimes I be like, if I come off sport and put it in comfort, my gas shit that starts going up. Like, this shit is a catfish, bro. Don't believe this. I could probably drive on 0 on comfort, bro. Like, if my shit is on 1 mile, I promise you I'm getting more than 1 mile out of that on comfort. My shit might go to 5. I might end the ride with 5 miles. I swear to God, bro. I be looking at it. Like, if I put it in sport real quick, then I go in comfort and I chill. Like, my shit dead ass starts going up. No troll. Like, you wouldn't even think I drove any miles. I'll have a 10-mile drive. You'll see 1 mile gone from when I left the first location. Dead ass. Yeah, hopefully this POV is valid. But yeah, let me know if y'all want the Insta360 POV. And I need to get a steering wheel too. See, I can really love my interior. If I get the steering wheel, yeah, I might say interior POV. I might say interior POV. But I feel like the Insta360 full video POV is different. Like, title it 700 horsepower M550 Insta360 POV. Y'all clicking that. Keep it a stat. I'm clicking that. I know I'm clicking that. So let me know if we got similar tastes in the comment section. Let me know if y'all want interior, or just type GoPro or Insta360. Let me know. GoPro or Insta360. I might put my shit in comfort, bro. Like, I'm in traffic. Hopefully when I get out of traffic, like, I can hit it for y'all real quick. But right now we chilling. Hot ass day in Texas. Midday POV, 5 o'clock rush hour. I don't know what's going on, but it ain't nice out here. It ain't nice out here. It's hot. My GoPro blazing. My Jesus, I got the sun right here beaming. My fault for blinding y'all. Let me cover y'all. My fault, y'all. My fault, y'all. Yeah, the sun beaming on my skin right now. I don't got no sunscreen. I'm already black as shit. God damn, they trying to get my ass up out of there. But look, let me show y'all. Look at how the video working. People probably looking at me like I'm some type of bozo, but look at this. There's some pain. Like, you see what I'm talking about now, right? It just looks like, I don't know, just looks more aggressive, in my opinion. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on those notifications if y'all new. And yeah, something crazy gonna happen to this car in a few days, hopefully. And y'all gonna be there to witness.